Ever feel like your car just doesn't have that spark it used to? Maybe it's sluggish on the highway, idling rough at stoplights, or just sounds tired. You're not alone. Over time, engines naturally lose performance. It's like aging, but for your car. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to stay that way. What if I told you, with a few simple yet powerful tricks, you could bring your engine back to life? I'm talking about real, practical hacks, the kind mechanics often keep to themselves, that can help restore your engine's performance, smooth out those rough starts, and even improve fuel efficiency. And no, I'm not talking about expensive overhauls or fancy gadgets. These are smart, effective steps you can do yourself or with minimal help, and they'll make a noticeable difference. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to make your engine run like it just rolled off the factory floor. 1. Fuel system cleaner. Deep clean your fuel injectors. Over time, fuel injectors and the fuel system accumulate deposits that restrict fuel flow and hurt combustion efficiency. Using a quality fuel system cleaner, either as a fuel additive or a professional service, helps dissolve these deposits. This restores proper spray patterns and atomization, leading to smoother acceleration, better fuel economy, and cleaner emissions. Pro tip: do this every 10,000 to 15,000 miles or if you notice sluggish performance. But here's the thing. When your fuel system is dirty, your engine ends up overcompensating by using more fuel than necessary, leading to reduced mileage and sluggish response. By cleaning it out, you're essentially letting your engine operate with the precision it was designed for. It's like unclogging your arteries. The difference is night and day, especially if you've never done it before. 2. Spark plug refresh, replace or regap. Worn or dirty spark plugs cause weak sparks, leading to misfires and rough idling. Swapping them out or at least checking and regapping them ensures you're getting strong, reliable ignition. You'll instantly notice smoother acceleration, better throttle response, and even a slight fuel economy bump. Bonus: use high-quality iridium or platinum plugs for longer life and stronger performance. What many drivers don't realize is that spark plugs directly control how efficiently your engine burns fuel. Even slightly fouled plugs can cause incomplete combustion, wasting fuel and robbing your engine of power. Refreshing them brings back that crisp ignition timing your engine needs, and in some cases, it can even eliminate minor vibrations or engine noises you've grown used to. 3. Air filter replacement. Let your engine breathe freely. A clogged air filter chokes your engine, forcing it to work harder to get the air it needs. Replacing it is quick and inexpensive but can make your engine feel noticeably more responsive. Think of it as giving your car fresh lungs. Clean air equals clean combustion. What's more, when your air filter is dirty, it not only limits airflow but can allow dirt and debris to sneak into the engine. This leads to premature wear on internal components like piston rings and cylinder walls. Regularly replacing the air filter helps maintain optimal engine health and keeps performance levels high, especially if you live in dusty environments or drive frequently in heavy traffic. 4. Oil additives. Restore lubrication and clean internals. Even with regular oil changes, your engine builds up sludge and microscopic wear. A quality oil additive can restore lubrication properties, reduce friction, and clean out deposits stuck in oil passages. The result? Quieter operation, less wear, and improved efficiency. Note: make sure to use additives compatible with your engine and oil type. Some oil additives even include detergents that help dissolve sludge over time, preventing oil starvation in critical engine areas. This becomes even more important for high-mileage vehicles, where internal tolerances have widened slightly due to wear. Adding a friction modifier can also reduce internal engine resistance, giving you a smoother, quieter engine that runs closer to factory-new performance. 5. Carbon cleaning, intake valve and combustion chamber cleaning. Especially in direct injection engines, carbon builds up on intake valves and pistons, disrupting airflow and combustion. Using intake system cleaners or professional walnut blasting services can remove these stubborn deposits. Expect smoother idling, restored power, and better fuel efficiency after this deep clean. Left unchecked, carbon buildup acts like cholesterol in your arteries. It blocks airflow, disrupts fuel atomization, and forces your engine to work harder just to maintain normal output. Cleaning it out can restore horsepower you didn't even realize you'd lost over time. It also helps prevent engine knock and rough cold starts, both of which are common symptoms of excessive carbon buildup. 6. Oxygen sensor check and replacement. Faulty oxygen sensors send wrong signals to the ECU, causing poor air-fuel ratios. If you've noticed declining fuel economy or sluggish acceleration, it could be a worn-out O2 sensor. Replacing it can drastically improve combustion efficiency and engine responsiveness. Modern cars rely heavily on accurate sensor data to fine-tune performance. When your oxygen sensor starts to fail, it can trick your engine into running too rich or too lean, leading to poor fuel efficiency and potential damage to your catalytic converter. A fresh sensor ensures your engine is running at its peak air-fuel mixture, keeping both power and efficiency right where they should be. 7. Throttle body and MAF sensor cleaning. The throttle body controls airflow, and the MAF, mass airflow, sensor reads how much air enters the engine. When either gets dirty, you get laggy throttle response and uneven idling. Cleaning them with proper cleaners restores accurate readings and snappier throttle response. Pro tip: don't use harsh chemicals. Always use dedicated cleaners for these sensitive parts. Over time, oil vapors from the PCV system and airborne contaminants coat the throttle plate and MAF sensor wire. This grime distorts airflow readings, confusing your ECU and causing erratic acceleration. A proper cleaning restores your throttle precision and ensures the engine is breathing exactly as it should. Plus, it often feels like a mini tune-up. Drivers are usually shocked at how much smoother their car feels afterward. Bonus, optional addition to finish strong. ECU reset after maintenance. Once you've done all this work, reset your ECU by disconnecting the battery or using a scan tool. This clears old adaptations and lets the computer relearn using fresh, clean sensor data. The result? Sharper throttle response, optimized fuel trims, and an overall fresher driving experience. And there you have it. 7 powerful tricks to breathe new life into your engine and make it run like it just rolled off the factory floor. The best part? Most of these are simple, affordable, and you don't need to be a master mechanic to pull them off. It's all about keeping your engine clean, well-fed, and properly maintained, and when you do, it rewards you with years of smooth, reliable performance. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to stick around because we've got plenty more coming your way about keeping your car running strong and saving you from those expensive repairs. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care of your car, and it'll take care of you.